Class 2. In this class we'll learn how to add a new sheet, how to rename a sheet, how to delete a sheet, how to hide a sheet, how to move or copy a sheet, and how to change the tab color. Alright, so hide and unhide. Let me write it over here. Alright, first of all, what is a sheet? Well, a sheet is a page in Excel wherein you can store, create data. See, usually Excel 2007 automatically comes with an option where you will have, whenever you open up a new workbook, it will have 3 sheets loaded already. Now if you want to add a new sheet, there are quite a few ways of going about it, so I'll tell you all of them. So the first one and the most easiest one is clicking on this sign. If you click on this, a new sheet would open up, and that too would be numbered sequentially. Sheet 3, sheet 4, and if I click it again, we'll have a sheet called sheet 5. And I can also insert a new sheet by pressing Shift F11. See, we have sheet 6. And then we can also go to insert, and not on insert, we go to home, and then we click on insert, and then we click on insert sheet. So see, sheet number 7 has come up. So these are the ways of inserting a sheet. There is one more way. We will have sheet 8 over here. You choose a sheet besides which you want to have a new sheet, so right click it, and this option would open up. Insert, it will give you this option, what would you like to insert? So we like to insert a worksheet. We click on OK, and voila, we have sheet 8. So these are the ways of adding a sheet and how to rename a sheet. Alright, that's pretty easy. The first way is double click on this name, the name that you see, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Just double click it. It will become highlighted, and type in the name of your choice. There are certain restrictions about it, so practice and you'll find out what restrictions are. My e-lesson is the name I choose to give this sheet. So here I have renamed it. As simple as that. Simply click out of here and you have renamed it successfully. There is one more way of renaming it. You click a sheet, choose a sheet to be renamed, right click it, and then simply choose rename and name it. I'll name it Excel Made Easy. Alright, and I believe there is one more way of doing it. Yes, we click on home, we click on format, and we click on rename sheet, and we can rename it also like this. Home, format, rename sheet, and name it, name it after me, Guru. So that is how we can rename a sheet. How to delete a sheet. Okay, again, you would choose the sheet you want to delete by clicking onto it, right click it, and you can simply delete it like this. See, sheet 7 gone. Now we will delete sheet 8. How? We will choose the sheet, we will go to home, click on delete, and choose delete sheet option, and it is deleted. Sheet 7 gone. And then I believe there is one more way of doing it. No, I believe that is it. Yes, this is it. So that is how you can delete this sheet. And coming back to our class, how to hide or unhide a sheet. Alright, we see this sheet called Guru. We want to hide it. So what we can do is we can right click it and click on hide. See, this sheet is gone now. It is hidden. We can also unhide one more sheet, Excel Made Easy. We can we can hide it also. Click here, and now if you want to unhide it, before that, let us see one more way of hiding a sheet. Choose the sheet, click on home, click on format, and I believe, yes, here we have hide sheet. Here it is. Sheet 6 is also hidden. Now we can unhide it if you want to unhide a sheet, simply click on any sheet, right click it, and you'll get this option, unhide. Now it will give you the list or the names of the sheets which have been hidden, so you can choose any one and unhide it. So let's go about it. Let's unhide Excel Made Easy. There it is. We'll choose another option. We'll click on format and we will choose unhide sheet from here itself. So we want to unhide sheet called Guru. So there it is. So that is how you can unhide a sheet. And then you can even move or copy a sheet. Well, to move a sheet, you simply select that sheet. Say I've chosen Guru and I want to move it to, say, after sheet number 5. So how do I go about it? I simply double click it and I simply double click it and drag it using my mouse. There it is. I double click it and drag it using my mouse. Now I can also do this using the keyboard. So we right click it and click on move, and now it says to which book do you want to move it. Book 1 is the current book, or you can even choose a new book. It will automatically show you all the books that are open. So if you want to move it to a book that is already open, it will be visible here. Or if you want to open up a new book, you can simply click new book and then you can move it to a new book. And let's keep this book itself. And now before which sheet? Say Excel Made Easy, I want it before sheet 4, but that is between my lesson and sheet 4. So let me click that. Okay, and here we have it, right? So this was a move. What if I want to copy the same? So I have some data in this sheet, my lesson. So I want to have this sheet here itself, and I also want to copy the same data at the end of the sheet list, say after Guru. Alright, so how do I do it? I right click it, I click on move or copy, I choose the same book and I choose move to the end because this is actually at the end, and then I click on create a copy and okay. So here is my lesson where it was, and a new sheet has been created with the same name but 2 added in the bracket. So it has been copied over here. I believe it can be done using this also. Yes, you can copy a sheet using this option also, same way. See, now comes the last option that I'm going to teach you in this video. That would be how to change the tab color. Well, these are called tabs also. If you want to change their color, all you need to do is simply right click them, go to tab color and choose a color of your choice. So it is red now, and if I want to color code this one, I can do it using the ribbon also. We'll click on home and then we'll click on format and then we'll choose tab color, and let's have green color over here, and we have green color over here. See, as easy as that. So this is your Guru now.